By now, you probably heard, but the person we all learned to love and like, DJ Envy, is actually caught up in a scandal, right? And the title of this video is DJ Envy Innocent, right? And we're gonna get into that, right? So let me first say this. I'm a fan of DJ Envy's. I've been buying his mixtape since like the late 90s or early 2000s. Been listening to on the radio. I'm from North Jersey. He from New York. The radio stations he was on in the early 2000s, we would get that in the tri-state area, New York, New Jersey, Connecticut. I am a fan of The Breakfast Club. Love Charlamagne, love The Breakfast Club. Shout out to Yee and her career and everything else, man. But I'm gonna just weigh in on this. So for those who have not heard, so DJ Envy, he was doing these real estate seminars, right? He was doing this real estate seminars with an investor and a guy who goes by the name Caesar. He had good intentions. Now let me say this, I'm from North Jersey, and Envy runs around North Jersey, and Envy has a good heart. He's a good person. He wants to see good. He wants to help people succeed. Even on The Breakfast Club, you see they give up and coming politicians a platform. They give entrepreneurs a platform just to expose our community to the right things and the right people. So he got into a bad partnership, and I don't know if you guys ever been through this, but I have, and I've gotten into bad partnerships before, and what that person did to me and what that person has done does not reflect anything I would ever do. And I just think that's one of these cases, guys. And unfortunately, for those who don't know, so DJ Envy put on seminars and gave somebody a platform, and for giving this guy Caesar a platform, what happened was he really does real estate. He really owned houses. However, he started doing private loans, right? Taking loans from people. And people will come and say, hey, I have 100,000, I have 150,000. And he would take the money in. And in business, there's risk. And I'm not saying that's the situation here, because I don't want to downplay any victims or water down their stories. People have lost real money, and people want money, their money back, and that's totally understandable. So, but I'll say that in real estate and business, there's risk, and sometimes just how things can go right, they can definitely go wrong. And this was one of those cases that it went wrong. Now here I'm gonna put up Caesar's Instagram, and I'm gonna just let you read through that. So Caesar is essentially saying that the market changed, which it did change, and things got stuck. He's working on making it right. I'm not saying that's a true story. I'm not saying we're going to believe him. He's the person who accepted the money. DJ Envy did not accept any money. DJ Envy did not take a loans from anybody. DJ Envy is guilty of having a good heart. And by him having a good heart, he gave somebody a platform, and that person got into some transactions that didn't work out right? And the people that are owed money, they do have attorneys involved. People are planning to go to the government to go after criminal, etc. I don't know the details, so I'm not going to speak a lot on it, but it's a real serious situation. And let me tell you, as somebody who's been a full-time real estate investor since September of 2012, guys, not everything works out right, guys. And this is not the first time I've seen this. This could be a case of overextending yourself. I've seen this multiple times. It'd be an investor. They're doing $700,000-$800,000 new construction houses. They're having open house parties with masseuses, valet people, DJs, a little chef, showing everybody. Next thing you know, all their properties are in foreclosure, because all it takes is one or two not to sell. Those nice houses look really good, but those big houses come with big payments, and normally all interest payments that are at anywhere between 10 and 18%. So it's easy for those guys to have $15,000 and $20,000 a month going out in payments. So if one or two houses don't sell, you can go under if you don't have the correct liquid amount in your account. I've seen it happen time after time where people overextend themselves. I even seen guy doing $1 million houses and one wiped them out. Just one. It took $1 million house to wipe them out. Because the way that works is, yes, you go get a loan for the $1 million house. Let's say the house is worth $1 million. You got the house for $600,000. Now you put $200,000 of your own into it, right? So now you in the $800,000. So you on the market at $1 million. Your real estate commission is 6%. Your house ain't selling. The house ain't selling. It's sitting. But you down to your last on your reserves, and you ain't got a buyer in sight. But you keep paying, then eventually you run out of money and you can't maintain it. And now you out of business, your house going to foreclosure. I've seen it multiple times. Now, I don't know exactly the details of what Caesar has, but unfortunately, whatever he did, the money got messed up and people are out of money. I'm hearing stories of the victims saying that, and again, guys, I'm not watering down the victim's story at all because unfortunately, and so I'm not going to say Caesar's innocent or anything or blame it all on the market. But I will say, man, these guys are saying that there are $10,000 and $12,000 checks that they're getting written for payments and they're bouncing. So the guy's giving out bad checks, which, tells me he's in a bad situation. According to a phone call, Envy stated by Caesar's wife that they're going to sell everything off and pay back everybody once things start selling. I hope that's the case. But guys, I just want to know, if I put somebody, I want you to know, if I put somebody on my channel, guys, on my platform, it's because I feel as though they actually do this business. However, please keep in mind, guys, that you have to do your own due diligence. Please do not go around just giving people money because it can turn ugly. Now, as far as DJ Envy, one thing I want you guys to know is whoever you let in your life can change the whole trajectory of your life. DJ Envy has a big brand, and I want him to continue to have a big brand. I want him to continue to win, okay? However, he is guilty of having a good heart and giving the platform, and it backfired. Guys, I've been in that situation whereas I did somebody a favor and it backfired. I gave somebody a platform and it backfired. Those things happen. It's a part of business. I've been in partnerships and man, do I regret that one. So listen, things happen. I will continue to have a good heart and I hope DJ Envy has a good heart. Continue to have a good heart and give to the community like he's been doing. We're coming to the end of the video, man. Just comment below. Tell me what you think, man. Do you agree that, Envy is innocent because he didn't take any money? He's just guilty of having a good heart, but how do you see it? Listen, guys, just click on the video next to me, man. I'm Nasser, aka the Real Estate Guru. I'm not a guru, I'm a duru because I actually do this business. Peace.